Hello rail fans, I just wanted to show you something real quick on my garden layout of how I power my track. A lot of people ask me because transformers and things are just so expensive for G-gauge or garden railways. So I'm going to show you a DIY one that I did. So let's take a look. Alright, so here is my DIY power for my track. I run track power because in G-gauge anyways, my layout is small. It's considered a very small layout. So I really didn't want to shell out the money for a bridge works. I didn't like the USA Trains option. And then scouring the forums and looking at things like that, I did find a DIY write-up that a guy did. And so this is what I came up with, and I put it on a shelving system so I could have my rolling stock cars all lined up here after I put my locomotive on my layout over there. So anyways, let's take a look at what's inside. Okay, to start, this is just a case, well, a bin from Walmart that I cut out, put some holes in. I got these speed controllers off of Amazon, and I'll put a link in the description, show you guys which ones I went with. There's several options. I just thought this was the easiest. It was an all-in-one. I've seen people do them where this is separate, and you can do it that way. This was just an easier way for me. And then I cut out a hole to fit the fan. Since I'm in Central Texas, it does get warm outside, so I have a fan that just pulls the heat out. Opening up the case on the inside, this is what it's looked like. Those are the speed controllers, and they are wired to this 10 amp transformer here, or converter. It was pretty simple to wire. I took off the metal casing that comes around it, and again, I'll put that all in the link of the description. All this powdery white stuff is because I used super glue to glue in some of these screws and things like that. So, but pretty simple. This is kind of the smallest, cheapest option that I could get as far as housing everything. You could probably get a project box and it would be a lot smaller, but also the project boxes aren't $8 like this bin was. So let's check it out. I'll show you how it runs. All right, so got the power on, and what do? Just come here, just make sure that, all right, then get the speed controller going forward, and then we're gonna move that. All right, let's see if this will run for the first time. I haven't run it a couple days, it might fall off right here, but let's see. Oh, we lost the load. Runaway train. Okay, we're reconnected, let's try that again. All right, made it around, kept the load. Had to rearrange the order, but I think it was just that coupler. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Again, that was my track power that I use, my DIY option. So hope that gives you guys some ideas, and I'll put everything in the description that I used. Again, I think this was probably anywhere from $50 to about $100 depending on what you buy and what you add to it. You can make it neater, nicer. Like again, I went budget, so everything is a little bit on the cheaper side. I've had this now for about a year and a half. It's been powering my track. So definitely an option to look into if you just want to get started. And have something at least to run your trains until you can convert them to battery or remote or however you want to do it, DCC. But yeah, so that's a quick option. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys got something out of the video. Thanks.